Hey guys, Hvac here. I wanted to show you a little bit of what's going on with the HVAC. So our setup is going to be two of these. You can't really see them, but they are ductless split units, Mitsubishi Hyperheats. One of them is a 12K BTU. That's going to be on the wall up here for the basement. And then there's a 6K BTU for the office upstairs. Just so that we don't have to run ductwork in someplace crazy out in that room, and so it can be on a separate zone. For the majority of the house, it's going to be run off of this unit here, which is a 15K BTU Mitsubishi horizontal ducted unit. So it's actually a Mitsubishi product for heating and cooling that is ducted, and it's meant to be run on like short run ducting. So you can see that basically there's one run over here, and then like the main trunk is literally just this 20-foot run, 20 to 30-foot run, and then it's going to have branches off of it, and then you can see it keeps reducing as it goes. So there's some more HVAC stuff over there. So that's going to be the majority of the upstairs. It's going to be the master bedroom, living room, walk-in closet, bathroom, dressing room, and loft. So that's zone 1. Zone 2 is the basement unit here, and zone 3 is the other bedroom, aka the office over there. So this is going to be a pretty short video, but I just wanted to show you how this was coming along. You can see all the ductwork there. Oh, and you can see the ERV, the energy recovery ventilator, is down after being over here, because this is where the return comes in, everything connects in and goes to the back of the unit there. But this is kind of in the way, and the way it's going to work actually is that the ERV is going to pump air into the upstairs through this here, and then the cold air return is actually right here. So the idea is to get some convection going between air that's coming out of this, the fresh air, and air that's coming in here, so that this can then get returned and pump air to the rest of the house. Sort of a sort of cheater way to redistribute air from the ERV without actually running ductwork to a bajillion places inside from the ERV itself. Keeps the load on the fans lower on the ERV, and makes use of the existing ductwork for heating and cooling. So in the event that that's not completely efficient, the ERV, I mean, they're pretty efficient, but the enthalpy core is not, ridiculously efficient. It's going to give it a better shot to immediately, get heated up. So yeah, that'll actually run somewhere along this wall here, probably over in these bays here, will be the actual exhaust and fresh air intake. And then stale air return will be in the island, which is upstairs, and it'll be somewhere in this area here, and it'll run over to the ERV. So that's how the HVAC stuff is coming along. Sorry if this video was a little dark. I have this torch light here to try and make things brighter, because I know there's not too many light bulbs here. But anyway, as always, thank you for watching. See ya!